How to set mobile hotspot data limit on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and here you can just tap on the portable hotspot application over here by scrolling down a bit. And as you tap on that, here you can see the option of set up portable hotspot. So tap on it, and here you'll be able to see the password, but we don't want the password. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap on one-time data limit. So tap on it, and here you just have to make sure that you toggle on this one-time data limit, but for that you just have to turn off the Wi-Fi first. So turn off the Wi-Fi and then turn on the one-time data limit, and then tap on the size, and here you just have to select the size over here. You can select any of these among the 50 MB, 100, 150, 200 MB, or customize it by tapping on custom and selecting on whichever storage or data limit you would want. Then tap on OK, and then tap on when exceeded. You can just turn off and notify or only notify. Here I've selected on turn off and notify, and then tap on cancel and go back. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.